How to earn respect. You want to be respected, but you're not sure how it all works. Stop worrying about yourself and start considering other people. This is the key. What can you do to make a difference for others? What do people you genuinely respect do differently than the average person? While you're thinking about it, here are some of my personal suggestions. 1. Stop saying sorry. The kind of people who automatically say, "I'm sorry," without thinking twice are rarely those who are well respected. An apology has its place and time. Sometimes your family and friends suffer because of mistakes you make. You can express regret to them. 2. Provide genuine value. You will be respected if you consistently consider how you may add value to others, whether you're a member of a community, a business, a group of friends, or a team. Value can take many different shapes, but in the end, it all comes down to giving the world or your community something that can benefit by helping them by resolving an issue. People will respect you if you provide valuable work. 3. Be encouraging. By being open and honest with others about your interests and ambitions, you might inspire others. You can inspire people by consistently expressing your belief in their aspirations and motivating them to pursue their ambitions. 4. Keep your commitments. This is by far one of the most significant steps you can do to begin earning respect. Don't continue to treat commitments lightly in the way you did in the past. Always keep your promises and obligations. If you frequently struggle with that, it probably suggests you make just so many promises you can't keep. 5. Get used to saying no. Never feel bad for saying no occasionally. Also, don't stress about lost possibilities. You don't have to accept every request that someone makes of you, especially if it comes from a customer or a boss. Sometimes, refusing something earns you more respect than agreeing to do it. Saying no demonstrates your willingness to acknowledge that you value your time and that you cannot fit everything into your schedule. 6. Put trust in your ideas. Even if your ideas seem ridiculous, strange, or unusual, don't throw them away. Accept your originality and implement your ideas. If you follow through, you'll do something fantastic and people will be curious about how you came up with such an original idea. The problem is that while most people have these original ideas, most individuals are afraid to act on them since they appear unrealistic. 7. Don't waste others' time. People will respect your time if you respect theirs. Getting to the point quickly, bringing up issues right away, being simple and clear, and of course, making it easier for others to make decisions, especially when they are busier than you, are all examples of this. 8. Quit being so polite. Separate acts of kindness from a constant need to please others. You won't get very far if you try to please everyone. If you want respect, it's not a good idea to be a pushover. Some people may even believe you are not sincere if you always treat everyone nicely. 9. Always take the initiative. Don't always look to others for guidance. To get things done and solve problems, use your own abilities and resources. Make it a habit to solve problems on your own. Don't be scared to take on a challenge now and again. 10. Have a strong moral code. Many people fail to follow this crucial piece of information. What do you hold true? What matters to you? What enrages you enough that you feel the need to change the world? You can discover the essence of your own moral code by asking yourself questions of this nature. Discover it and spread it gradually to everyone. Every one of the world's great leaders had their own moral code. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.